Hey, can I ask you something?
Yeah, of course.
Have you ever been in a situation where someone speaks English to you and you just freeze?
Oh, absolutely. Like your brain just stops working.
Yes, exactly. You know what you want to say, but the words just don't come out.
It happens to so many people. And honestly, it happened to me too when I was learning.
So, if that's you right now, if you feel nervous or confused, or you just want more practice with real English conversation,
Then you are in the right place.
this is English conversation practice for beginners.
Welcome, everyone. You're watching Easy English Podcast.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. And today, we are just going to talk.
That's it. Just talk, like two normal people.
Because that's really the best way to learn English, right? Not just textbooks, not just grammar rules.
Real conversation, real sentences, real life.
So grab a coffee, get comfortable.
And let's practice together. Okay, so Mike, today's topic is daily conversation. Just everyday English. The kind you use when you meet someone, when you go to a shop, when you talk to a coworker.
Yeah, the stuff you actually need. Like nobody wakes up in the morning and says, I must now use the past perfect tense.
Right. You just say, "Good morning. How are you?"
Exactly. Simple, natural.
And that's what we're doing today. We're going to go through some real everyday conversations. And we'll go slowly. We'll repeat things, and we'll explain as we go.
So even if you're just starting out, A1, A2 level, this is perfect for you
Don't worry about making mistakes. We make mistakes too.
all the time.
All the time. Okay, let's start. All right, so let's start simple. Meeting someone for the first time.
Good idea. Okay, I'll start. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Mike. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
So, where are you from?
I'm from the UK. What about you?
I'm from the US. Cool, right? Two different accents.
Okay, did you hear that? Let's look at what we just said.
The first thing I said was, Hi, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you. That's the most basic introduction. Super simple, super useful.
And I said, nice to meet you too. Don't forget the word too at the end. It means the same feeling goes back to the other person.
Right. So if someone says, nice to meet you, you say, nice to meet you too. Easy.
Let's try another one. You can say, hi, how are you?
And a natural answer is, I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Or just, great, thanks.
All of those work. You don't need a long answer. Keep it short and friendly.
Okay, let's do that one more time, a little faster, like a real conversation.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great, thank you.
See? Short, natural, perfect.
Okay, quick tip. In English, when someone asks, how are you, they usually don't want a long story.
Yeah, please don't say, well, I woke up at 6 a.m. and I was a little tired and then my coffee was cold.
No. Just say, I'm good, thanks, and move on.
It's more like a greeting than a real question, you know?
Exactly. It's just friendly. It's just polite. So keep your answers short.
You can say, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm great, not bad. All of these are totally normal.
And my favorite one, can't complain.
Ooh, that's a good one. A little more casual, but very natural. Okay, let's try a different situation now. You're at a cafe. You want to order something.
Oh, I love this one. Okay, I'll be the customer. You're the cafe worker.
All right, let's go.
Hi, can I get a coffee, please?
Of course, hot or cold.
Hot, please.
Small, medium, or large.
Medium, please. Thank you.
That's $3.50. Or, in a different country, whatever the price is.
Right. Okay, did you notice something? I used the word please a lot.
Yeah, that's really important in English. Please makes everything more polite, more friendly.
Can I get a coffee, please? Very polite.
Without please, it sounds a little direct, not rude, but a little flat.
So add please whenever you can. It makes a big difference.
Let's do that again, nice and clear.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Of course. Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Perfect. Okay, so one phrase I really love for ordering things is, can I get?
Yes. Can I get a coffee? Can I get a table for two? Can I get the menu, please?
It's casual, it's natural, and everyone uses it.
You can also say, I'd like. That's a little more formal.
Like, I'd like a coffee, please. Very polite.
Both are fine. Both are correct.
In a cafe, can I get is totally fine.
In a restaurant with a suit on, maybe go with I'd like.
Yeah, read the room.
Okay, this next one is something a lot of people find hard. Small talk.
Oh yeah, small talk. Talking about nothing, but also everything.
Exactly. Like the weather or the weekend. Simple topics to just connect with people.
Let's do one. I'll start.
Go for it.
So, did you do anything nice this weekend?
Yeah, actually. I went for a walk in the park. It was really nice. What about you?
Not much, honestly. I just stayed home and watched TV.
Oh, nice. Very relaxing.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes you just need that, right?
Totally.
Okay, so that was small talk. Did you notice the sentences were very short?
I went for a walk. I stayed home. It was really nice.
No big, complicated words, just simple, everyday language.
And one important phrase, what about you? That's how you keep the conversation going. You answer and then you ask back.
It shows you're interested. It's very friendly.
So answer plus what about you? That's your formula for small talk.
All right, let's take some of these phrases and try them in different situations.
Good idea. So let's take nice to meet you. When do you say this?
When you meet someone new, at work, at a party, online, anywhere.
And what about how are you? When do you say that?
Every day, with friends, coworkers, strangers at a shop, basically all the time.
Right. And can I get? That one's for ordering things.
At a cafe, a restaurant, a ticket office.
Even on the phone. Hi, can I get some information about?
Oh, good one. Yeah, that works too.
See, these phrases are so useful because you can use them in so many places.
Once you learn them, you use them every day.
Okay, let's also talk about one thing people sometimes get wrong.
Uh-oh.
No, it's okay. It's a small thing. So sometimes people say, I am agree, but that's not quite right.
Yeah, in English we say, I agree. Just I agree. No am.
Right, because agree is a verb, so you don't need am. You just say, I agree or I don't agree.
Easy fix.
Easy fix. And honestly, even if you make that mistake, people will still understand you. Don't be scared of small errors.
Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Okay, it's practice time. This is my favorite part.
Mine too. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to say a sentence, and we want you, yes you, watching right now, to say it out loud.
Don't be shy. Nobody's listening. Well, we are, but we believe in you.
Okay, ready? Repeat after us.
Hi, nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Can I get a coffee, please?
I went for a walk this weekend.
What about you?
I agree.
Great job. Now try saying them faster, like a real conversation.
And try changing the words a little. Instead of coffee, say your favorite drink. Instead of walk, say what you did this weekend.
Make it yours. That's how you really learn.
Okay, here's a little challenge for you.
Ooh, I like challenges.
In the comments below, write a short introduction, just 2 or 3 sentences.
Something like, hi, I'm your name. I'm from your country. Nice to meet you.
That's it. Just that. And we will read them. We actually read your comments.
We do, and we love seeing your practice. It's honestly so motivating.
It also helps other learners. When they see you practicing, it encourages them too.
So go ahead, write your intro in the comments right now. We're waiting. Okay, I think that's a wrap for today.
That went by fast.
It always does when you're having fun.
So, to everyone watching, you did great today. Seriously.
Learning a new language is not easy, but you showed up, you practiced. That already makes you better than yesterday.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need enough English to connect with people.
And every day you practice, you get a little closer.
So, keep going. Be patient with yourself and don't stop.
We'll be back very soon with another episode, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
Thanks so much for spending this time with us.
It was so fun. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.